If you're thinking he's just taking a snooze, you'd be wrong. This man actually died in his sleep from carbon monoxide poisoning. I'm Evan Reitzman. I'm here to tell you about all the dangers about carbon monoxide poisoning and why you should be aware of them too. Do you want to die? I didn't think so. You should listen. Credibility? I have that. I've done my research and feel that I'm well equipped to inform you on the dangers of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide poisoning can happen in many different ways. For example, starting a car inside your garage, inhaling fuel-burning products. Carbon monoxide poisoning is also most dangerous for people who are already unconscious, like napping or inebriated by drinking or drugs. Some common symptoms to look out for. Some of these things just may be
dizziness,
headaches, nausea, and shortness of breath. So what are some ways for us to prevent this? Carbon monoxide detectors, using our gas appliances correctly, and opening our garages when starting our cars. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe out there.